Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change VW Atlas wiper blades. First, make sure you have your new wiper blades ready, along with a soft towel. This towel will protect your windshield. Next, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into its upright service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at the connector where the blade meets the arm. You'll find a small tab. Press this tab down. While holding the tab, slide the old blade straight off the arm's hook. Be very careful to keep a firm grip on the wiper arm so it doesn't accidentally spring back and hit your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade onto the arm. You should hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into position. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached before moving on. Once both new blades are installed, gently lower each wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Make sure they rest flat against the glass. Now, turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers, using some washer fluid. Observe the new blades as they clear the glass, ensuring they provide a smooth, streak-free wipe across the entire windshield for optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.